What is up, my beautiful people? What is up, my gentle viewers? So guys, yo, I'm back again in Israel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Wow. So we're gonna react to Golan, right? She's one of my favorite singers of all times, right? And I love her voice so much. But you know what? I have a question to ask you all. Do anyone here know Bob Marley? Please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to have an elaboration there with you all. Right? So guys, thank you so much for accepting me back in Israel again. So we're gonna react to Golan, Hurricane. Yo, that track is my favorite, one of my favorite, right? So it's alive on Eurovision 2024. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in. Let's see what's up. Peace. Guys, look, I'm very excited for this one, right? Yo, tons and tons of excitement, right? So let's continue. She's phenomenal. She's gorgeous. Yo, I'm really and truly excited. Damn.
Write her on my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see people.
Muka. My queen. Damn. Oh my god, guys. You.
Walk away but never say goodbye. Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's
Oh my god. Oh wow. Magnificent voice. Yo.
the fool who told you boys don't cry? Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's out.
You guys, I'm sorry, but oh wow, damn, she's one in a billion, guys.
Hours wide, the time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this.
No, I don't freaking away. Oh my god. Yo. Yo, I love her voice so much. She is superb.
It's mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide.
Yo. Oh my god. Yo. Wow. She's fucking awesome, bro. She's awesome. Mighty God. Wow.
Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this heartbreak.
She's gorgeous. Whoa. Beautiful. How amazing she can be, bro. How amazing.
This hurricane.
Buka, 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 buka. Oh my god. Yo, phenomenal.
Living in a fantasy, ecstasy, everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die.
Yo, she makes me so happy. Oh my god. Whoa. Fantastic. Her voice is fantastic.
Hours and hours and hours. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind.
Oh wow. Yo, her voice is amazing. Her song is so fucking good. Yo, I can't believe this, bro. This female is superbly amazing. Whoa, she's definitely a winner. Trust me.
Holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide.
And the video is so fantastic. So fucking fantastic. Oh God. Whoa, just to listen the words of her song gives you chills, bro. You just can't help it. It's helpless at this point. Give her the props, bro. Damn.
Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again.
Whoa. What a wonderful hurricane song. All the days of my life, right, growing up, knowing of natural disaster, this is this is the best hurricane I've felt in my entire life. In natural disaster form, it's stealing my breath away. Wow. Fucking it's good. It's good. It's good.
I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. Woo!
Magnificent. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much for choosing music. Wow, goddamn.
This hurricane. Woo!
Guys, she's definitely a superstar. Trust me. That's one of the coolest sunset I've ever seen. At the end of the tunnel, there must be light. At the end of the storm, there must be a calm. With every rain, there must be a sunshine. Fuck. Damn.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're pretty much welcome, guys. She's Amazing. She's done superbly. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did and truly enjoy this reaction, please stay tuned for more, subscribe for more, hit the like button for more, and look out for the finals. I'll be there. She must made it to the finals, guys. Trust me. Peace.